No, it won't let me. It won't let me do it with the glove because the gloves that I'm using are too soft or something like that.
Oh, I just put my chin on the camera.
Uncle's right now digging a hole with a pickaxe, and I don't want a trench.
That's what they're called.
Let me see if I can.
I was trying to know what this looked like. I couldn't get it.
Let me see here. Let me take off one more glove.
Now it's actually trench.
There we go.
I mean, bad.
Well, it's kind of hard to see. But over here, me and Sissy have to work on some. There's Sissy. Hey, Sissy.
Hi.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Yeah, I zoomed into one of your pimples, I think.
And over here was this right down there, over there. And so they had to take this tool and scrape all this stuff out. And they had to take, and they had to pull it out. We had to put the water on, so now it's just flood. But that just means that it would be easier to, like, I guess, dig through. But I guess. Apparently this is clay.
I didn't know that. Your dad, I didn't ask any questions after your father. His father passed away.
We've been working slowly. Over here, Uncle's been digging another trench. We are trying to fix Grandma's water problem. And what happens is, let me show you. Let me show Titi, Stephanie. So you take a little wrench. You have to take the wrench and this right there. Right now it's towards it. So I think that means it's off. Yeah, it's off right now, but when we separate it, it would be on.
The Great Dismal Swamp.
Yeah.
Good job, Simba.
And here's a little cave.
I was trying to find a name for this, but I can't. I think it's like a Louisiana. I think.
Or we could call it,
It's like it's separated.
or we would call it,
Mississippi?
no. Why are you,
I forgot. There's this big, huge trench in like some place. And I can't know. I don't forgot the place. And it's like so big. You go down and die. Canyon? Something Canyon.
Grand Canyon?
Yeah, there you go. The Grand Canyon.
yeah, that's what I was just about to say, but I forgot the name.
Yeah, there we go. The Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon, I guess. We have the Grand Canyon and the Mississippi River, right? Is this the Mississippi River?
It looks like Grand Canyon.
Like a trench sword.
And it's the Grand Canyon. Hi.
Did you know that the trench or the Grand Canyon,
Was made by
or
made by the sloth.
no?
Remember the sloth? Remember the animation?
Oh yeah. Oh no, it was made by diversion.
It was.
Yes, because two parts of the Earth were pushing like apart, like
Good job,
division.
Bert. You did good.
And how they form mountains, it's conversion. I think about it like together, like.
Con in Spanish for what? Conmigo, conmigo.
Sissy, I'd be careful if I were you. I'm
trying
just
to get over there,
dangling.
but Uncle's right there, and
Scoot
you're right.
over.
Can you scoot over?
No, I can't. Uncle's digging.
I found my little thing.
What?
It looks like a little nail. Oh, you know people make the artist so they have a little thing right there, and they have a little thing they just do this.
I'm up. Woo.
It's hollow.
And then all the dirt we find, we grab the wagon or the wheelbarrow and go over here. Got a bunch of cords. We go over here, and Uncle's car is right now over there. But we go over here to the fence. See this fence over here? There. This is where we've been putting all of the rocks and dirt we find. I call it Mount Everest. That would be conversion. That's an example of conversion, diversion, and transform, which is when two lands crash together and go back and forth, up and down. I better back up. And there's 3 dogs over here that keep on coming over here. And they bite. I don't exactly know if they bite because I didn't get bite. Yeah, feels like clay.
My favorite gun's the one that destroys buildings.
What? Bazooka?
Yeah, bazooka destroys buildings. Let's have a gun.
Why do you like bazooka?
It destroys buildings.
Okay, I'm gonna give the camera to Sissy.
I'm sculpting.
No, I'm sculpting.
It's called art. No. I'm really not.
As you see, the wind pushes the rocks. Over here, the wind pushes the rocks and bangs.
The Grand Canyon.
Bangs and bangs. And that's what all these little rocks are doing down there. Here, let me show you a bit closer. Lots of rocks. And over here is a cliff. Let me zoom out. It's a cliff. So if anybody fell, saying, if you've ever watched, Lion King.
I don't think we make fun of that, no.
He's hanging on the edge. This is him. And he's like a rock. And he falls. Just like other rocks could do. You see, like this. Get a little scratch. But as you see, they both fall. And these rocks over here make a splash. So these rocks could make a wall. And sometimes it's good or bad. It's good because the water, when it goes through, it goes against the rocks. And so the Grand Canyon doesn't get water in it.
Brittany, you took pictures and you sent them to my wife, right?
No,
Auntie Stephanie, right?
not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. And it can also be bad because if you're in the Grand Canyon, there's no way out unless you climb the walls.